choosing the right washing machine for all your family needs, lots of different factors need to be considered. Is it easy to use? Does it have different programs for various types of materials? Or a quick wash option? Is it quiet? These are only some of the features we would love it to have. The good news is that Tesla has made a device that incorporates all of these characteristics into one, plus offers so much more. Let us present the amazing Tesla washing machine with an inverter motor. Let's face it, sometimes the best item to wear happens to be the one in the laundry basket. Thanks to our Tesla washing machine, you can now wash your clothes in only 15 minutes, helping you to get to your event on time. Need to postpone the washing? Just choose a time that fits you, anywhere up to 24 hours in advance. And if your favorite wool sweater needs washing, select the Gentle program, designed to prevent laundry shrinking thanks to longer breaks during the cycle. Then there is a special baby care cycle, which makes children's clothes even cleaner and safer for their sensitive skin. And with an option especially created for delicate clothing, you can comfortably wash silk, satin, synthetics, and similar items. It's everything you need from a washing machine, and more.